Hi friends, welcome to one more video from T4 Top Notch. I am Cheryl signing in. Today you may be wondering what experiment or what unboxing I am going to do in this dark night. Actually, this is not an unboxing or an experimental video. This is just a small information video. Like we would have sat in car's cabin, car's driver's seat at least once in a while. So we would have wondered like what does each gear, switch or each component work like. So today I will be explaining you how the headlight leveler or how we can level the headlight in such a way that it does not obstruct or it does not blind the oncoming driver's sight. So let me show you how that simple switch or simple rocker button, by using that we will be able to adjust our car's headlight so that even our view will be clear as well as it does not blind our oncoming driver. So let me show you the switch which we use for setting the headlight. Not this switch. This is the rocker button or the switch which is used to set the level of our headlight. So now it is set in 3. Let us take it to 0. Okay. Now let me start my engine and switch on the headlight and show you how it is working. Let me switch on the headlight. And see, now my headlight is focusing at a point. When I am bringing the switch to 1, the light is coming down. Hope you are able to see the difference. Now it is in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, hope you are able to see my headlight coming down and going up. See, now you can see it is going up. Now you will be wondering what is the use or what is the point in making the light go up and down. So it is very simple. When we are traveling, when our car is fully occupied, so when there is luggage in our boot and all the passengers are sitting at the back, so it is quite natural that the lower part of the vehicle will go down. So automatically the front part, the headlights, that will go up in such a way that when we switch on the light will be directly focusing on the oncoming driver's side. So that when we change the level, the light which is pointing on the driver directly, that level will come down, that level will decrease and the focus will go onto the road. So that as the vehicle's back part is going down, the front naturally gets lifted up. For example, if this is a car, when the vehicle's down is increasing, when the backside's height is coming down, the front part automatically goes up. So what happens is the light will be going directly to the eyesight of the oncoming driver. So that and not only that, even we will not be able to see the road because the light is going in the air. So that once when the vehicle is fully loaded, the back automatically goes down, but our front will be in this way. So that when we use the leveler, we will be able to make the light focus the road, so that it does not blind the oncoming driver, and we will be able to see the road clearly. So this is a main advantage of using this headlight leveler. Let me show you once again. Let me switch on and show you the level, how the light it is. Imagine now the vehicle is empty, so the lights are going onto the focus. If the same thing happens when the vehicle is fully filled, the back part gets lowered up, making the front part automatically raise, so that the light will be hitting on the driver's eyes, the oncoming driver's eyes, so that when the vehicle is full, it is always better to keep the rocker button to 2 or 3. See, it is lowering down. It is lowering down. So according to the vehicle's load, for example, if the vehicle is not that loaded, but still if you find the light not focusing on the road, then you can keep it in 3 or 4. But whereas if the vehicle is fully loaded, for example, like there are full passengers in the back seat and the boot is fully filled, automatically the back part will go down and the front headlight will be focusing, will be raised high, so that it will be better to keep the eyes level to 6 or 5 or 6. It depends upon vehicles. In some vehicles there are only 3 points. In some vehicle, in my car, in Hyundai Verna, there are 6 points. So to 6 level I can decrease the light. Now you can see the light is focusing a little more lower to the road, so that even if my vehicle is fully filled, I will be able to have a clear focus onto the road. You can see the light changing its level as I change the rocker button. So it is very simple. So it is not a rocket science. It is very simple thing. So as the vehicle is loaded, we can just change the rocker button, and according to the vehicle's capacity or according to how the back part of the vehicle is lowered, we can set the headlight. So we can see the headlight going, like we can see the headlight focusing onto the road, so that it will be easy for us to see the road clearly and it will not blind the oncoming driver's sight. Friends, this was a simple video on how we can just by using a small rocker button we can have a safe journey during night time, and even we can we can make sure that the oncoming driver's sight is also not blinded, so that even he will also be able to have a safe journey by not getting blinded by our headlights. Hope you liked my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.